For businesses in Malaysia who prefer a hands-on approach to website maintenance, there are several practical tips and guidelines to ensure your website remains in top shape. Here are some DIY website maintenance tips that you can follow. Regularly update content. Keep your website fresh and engaging by regularly updating your content. Add new blog posts, update product descriptions, and ensure your information is accurate and up to date. By providing fresh content, you not only keep visitors engaged but also boost your search engine rankings. Check for broken links. Broken links can negatively impact user experience and SEO. Regularly scan your website for broken links using online tools like Broken Link Checker or by manually testing all links. Replace or fix broken links promptly to ensure a seamless browsing experience for your visitors. Optimize website speed. A slow-loading website can drive away visitors. Optimize your website speed by compressing images, minimizing HTTP requests, and leveraging caching techniques. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you identify areas for improvement and provide recommendations. Ensure mobile responsiveness. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it's crucial to have a mobile responsive website. Test your website on various mobile devices to ensure it adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes. Consider using responsive design frameworks like Bootstrap or Foundation for easier implementation. Implement security measures. Protecting your website from potential threats is vital. Use a reliable security plugin or service to scan for malware, regularly update your website's software and plugins, and implement strong passwords. This helps safeguard your website and customer data. Back up your website regularly. Perform regular backups of your website to prevent data loss in case of emergencies. Backup plugins like Updraft Plus or manual backups through your hosting provider can help you create reliable backup copies of your website files and database. Stay informed and educated. Keep yourself updated on the latest website maintenance trends and best practices. Follow reputable blogs and resources that provide insights on website maintenance techniques, SEO strategies, and security measures. Online communities and forums can also be valuable sources of knowledge.